Hello, beautiful people. I am back. This is Genevieve. I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different because I am doing an unboxing video. So this week, and probably last week, and for the next couple of weeks, people are really thinking about their resolutions for the new year, and they're planning and they're thinking about their goals and what they want to accomplish for the year. And so as I was reflecting, I was like, oh, well, you know, I didn't get as much done in 2017 as I would have liked. And I think one of the reasons that is because I wasn't really planning the way I usually do, which is by using like a planner. So last year I did a lot of like Google like calendar and stuff, but I never actually had like a physical book where things were planned out. So this year I'm going back to that model, and I'm excited to unbox the planner that I think I'm going to be using this year. So I have the box right here from the company. I'm kind of hiding my address, and I'm going to open it today, and we're going to do a first review, a first look-see to see like if this is the planner that I am going to use this year. So if you're interested in planners and you really like planners and you're trying to figure out what planner you want to use for 2018, stay tuned, watch this video, maybe it'll help you out. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. It comes straight from the company, and got my scissors. This is my first unboxing video, guys, so I don't know like how really to do this, but we're going to just rip this open. Alright, this is the box that the planner comes in. It's like tightly wrapped. It's from a company called Freedom Mastery. And on the other side of the box it says, enjoy and love every moment. So I'm gonna rip this like shrink wrap off, and we're gonna take a look at this. Shrink wrap is off. Oh, something fell out. And so the planner that I bought is called the Law of Attraction Planner. And it's in this beautiful rose gold cover. It's almost like a leather cover. It's from January 2018 to December 2018, and it says the Law of Attraction Planner, a 12-month journey to creating a dream life. Follow 8 scientifically proven steps to increase productivity and create happiness in life. I don't know if you can see if my lights are too bright. Look at this, it has like a gold binding on it. It's pretty thick. Oh my gosh, it comes with stickers. Look at these stickers. I am grateful for, shopping list, books to read, urgent, to delegate. I love the stickers. Travel, movie, eat healthy, pets, meditation. So it comes with like 5 rows of stickers, but it's funny because when I bought this planner, I also went on Amazon and bought some stickers, so I have more stickers. And then I also bought some pens and stuff. They didn't come yet. I don't know why they didn't come yet. But let's dig in and take a look at this planner. I'm excited. Like, people are like, why would you spend all this money on the planner? And honestly, the planner was not that expensive. I'm gonna tell you how much it was because I'm gonna go like back to my email and let you know. It was $42. $42 is not bad. There are some planners. Another planner that I was looking at was like $60. So it's $42 for this, and I ordered it on Monday, and it came yesterday, and I didn't unbox it yesterday because I wanted to unbox it for you. So with Monday being a holiday, Tuesday, it came in like 3 days, which is really great. So I really want us to dig in and take a look at this. So let's do it together. Okay guys, so like here is the planner. It has this Law of Attraction planner. Like I said, it's in this rose gold. What's together? First page. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. By Gandhi. Alright, so it has like, I knew from looking at reviews, let me see if I can like, I knew from looking at reviews, like, it had a lot of, like, pre-work. So, it has, like, you thinking about what you want your life to be. Planner index. And it has, like, this Law of Attraction roadmap. Like, how you create your best life, which I'm all about. And all the different steps that you take to do that. So like being aware of who you are and discovering who you are, finding your purpose, then setting goals, creating the vision board, and that stuff. And look, it has questions to empower your day. Like baby questions you can do like a brain dump for. Like what am I grateful for in life? What am I enjoying most in my life? It has like affirmations that you can make. I'm big on affirmations. And action steps, things you can do to remove these stickers and stuff. Action steps to feel better, increase your emotional vibration. Self-care, yes. How to give back. The past has no power over me anymore. Whew. I accept and let go. I trust all is well. All is well. I love myself and I like myself. Okay, so it has that type of stuff. Then I think it just has like the person that created this planner, why they created it. And then it has a few more pages for like self-discovery exercises that you can do. So this is not like just a planner where you write down like your agenda for the day. How to create harmony on all levels. Look at these little mind maps and graphic organizers. Set 50 goals in all areas of your life. Geez, this goes like down to like the nitty gritty. Your journey, where am I now, where am I going, how do I get there? This is some like deep diving into like who you are as a person and how to get where you want to go. And it has a calendar This is like a place where you can put like your vision board and then your most important life goals. I love all these graphic organizers. Chunking bigger goals into smaller goals, like your lifetime goals, your why, and the rewards, like your 3-year goals, your 1-year goals. All right, then we go into the month. So then you have, this is January, so I'm gonna start working on this. January, your goal for January. Your reward, if you achieve the goal. Your feel-good intention, skills and habits that you need to learn. And then desired goals for the month. And then look at this, like actions you need to take. And then like this blank space where you can kind of think about the ideas that you have, things you're grateful for, any notes, etc. And then this is like the weekly page. So in the weekly page, each day you have today's goal, then you have your priorities, and then you have the times for the day separated by 30-minute intervals. So this is great for you to write down your appointments and stuff. And then you have the week's priority, top priority, second top priority, errands. It has quotes, to-do list. Look at this, positive habits maker. So making sure that you exercise, meditate, maybe drink water, like all the positive things. Like there's this little box where you can kind of check off like if you've done it. And then more space for notes and stuff. So that's the weekly page. Okay, so and then after the weekly pages, it has a reflection page. And we know it's important, like when we're setting goals, to reflect on how we did. And like daily, we should be reflecting. So this page is pretty cool because you can reflect on your month. And for January, the quote is from like Oprah. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. So then you kind of write down your achievements. Top 10 achievements for the month. What did you learn? Your distractions, your mental block, fears. How you make yourself feel good. What did not happen, why. People you learn from, and things you can do to improve. And then if you were in harmony. So I love this reflection page. And so every month, I guess that, and then every month is like the same. This is February. It's kind of like the same. Oh, then you get a free gift. I don't know what that is. So it's all the same. And then in the back of the book, it's pages for you to kind of, lots of notes pages to write out ideas, do some bullet journaling. And then a guide to how to use the planner. So in this guide, it kind of tells you like how you use those beginning pages, how to create a vision board, which is really great because most planners definitely do not have this type of stuff. And these pages are perforated, so they actually can be pulled out. Oh, and then look at this. one of my goals this year, which I'll do another video on my goals, is to travel more. Travel once a month. So I like this little map, the top 20 places I would like to visit. And I'll give you a sneak peek later on another video about where I'm going this month. So it's like, I love these little pull-out, these pages, like fold-out pages. And then it has like a little divider thing to keep the book closed and keep your place. So I gave you like a quick like view of my Law of Attraction planner. I am so excited to get to use this. I have so many goals and so many things that I want to do this year. This is a big year for me because this is the year I actually turned 35. So it's a milestone year and I want to make sure that I'm truly living my best life. So this is what I'm going to use to kind of help me do this. So I hope you enjoyed reviewing the Law of Attraction planner. Maybe what I'll start doing is some just like plan with me videos, and I will link everything below for you if you're interested in like getting this. And I will say this is not like your typical planner. And so for some time I was a planner addict. So I've had Bloom planner, I've had Erin, what is her name, Condren, I've had her planner, I've had like planners from Target and Staples, I have had the Simplified planner. So this is so much deeper than this, than most planners. Like the different things, the activities that they have you do in the beginning is a great way to kind of visualize where you're at now, where you want to go, and like the things you need to do to get there. And the biggest question is why those things are important to you. And I think especially in this journey through life, once we figure out like our why it is that we want to do what we do, like that's something that has to be solidified, because when times get hard and things don't go as planned, you always go back to your why and the reason why you're doing things. So yeah, I bought the Law of Attraction planner. This is the planner that I'm going to use for 2018, and if you're interested, check out the details below and let me know if you want to see some planning videos, if you want to see how I use the planner. Let me know what type of planner you use. If you're more electronic, I'm gonna do a combination of both, because for work I have to have everything like on Google Calendar, but for personally, like it's important for me to see everything written down and to spend that time every week thinking about what my week looks like and what the day of my week looks like, just so that I can be more productive. So tell me what you use, what works for you. Any planning tips that you want to share, put them down below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this information. You know, it's important to help each other. And I just want to thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing love. I'll be back soon with another video for you.